of a vocal phrase that just sounds, I don't know, it sticks out to my ear. So right at the beginning, between this G4 and the G sharp 4, we have an onset of the vocal that for some reason it just doesn't sound like it doesn't sound like a human voice. Just that first part. I don't know why it's sticking out to my ear, and I will just let this play. It's that. I don't know what it is about that sound, but it sounds kind of robotic and something that is not a natural onset of vocal cords, but something that's almost being produced unnaturally. And then it's not related to the rest of the vocal.